Push start.
This you could have done before, no?
You got up without starting the floor.
You could have done this work before.
You should have asked him. Do you want me to push? Get down and push it now.
All right, boys are all ready for the butterfly island, honeymoon island, monkey island,
No dolphin.
and dolphin.
One dolphin, 1 rupee.
So this is going to be a cruise on this particular boat for 1.5 hours, 90 minutes, and and we are going to witness the sunset at 6:08. Alva?
3.
Sir?
6:03.
6:03 as per the schedule. So that is the plan. So it's going to be an amazing time. Okay guys, so now the engine is on the motorboat
Pilot is
and we are off the waves,
Off the shore.
off the shore into the ocean.
Into the ocean.
Arabian Sea alva?
Promise करके दिखाते हैं.
That's where our resort was. So we are way past into the sea, and we are going to visit 3 islands, and if possible see the dolphin, and then witness the sunset, and then come back. Hey, भैया आपका नाम क्या है? शिवा. आप YouTube में आएगा, ठीक है?
शिवा ठंडा.
हाँ. आपका नाम क्या है? हाँ, YouTube में आएगा. हाँ? YouTube में आएगा वीडियो. हाँ. यार you ना? Oh, you got
getting anyone from me through the street I'm totally ಏನೇ ಇನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇವನು? ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೂ ವಾಸ್ ಹೂ ನೋ?
ಇವಾಗ I or Rupich, which means Rupich has spent the most.
Who?
Rupich.
He spend the most now. Then don't spend, then I'll spend today dinner.
It's an amazing view, my friends. Amazing view. So, you see 2 people over there kayaking. Dolphin है? हाँ बताओ. So yeah, we just saw glimpse of 2 dolphins over there, right in the front. Hey, sit down. So there it is, my friends. We witnessed about 2 dolphins in the sea, right there, right in front of our boat.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಕಾಯ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಾಲ್ಫಿನ್ ಜೊತೆ
ಮಜಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
There it is. Yeah. But वो पूरा ऊपर नहीं आता है ना?
आता है जंपिंग करना.
अभी उसको कराएंगे जब
इसका मूड रहता है ना.
मूड रहता है जब करेगा क्या तू?
उसको कुछ खाने को
They're not supposed to boss.
What you are saying here?
They are not supposed to disturb the ecosystem if truly they go by the rule book,
हाँ.
right?
There
not supposed to feed
आ सकता है
nothing.
क्या?
They're mammals, right? They,
No, they are
they
mammals.
yeah,
Feed,
they
yeah.
have to have a blowhole. They come out or
चला गया
take in air.
हाँ है।
इधर है। ये मैकरल है, ये जो ऊपर जो तैर रहा है ना,
हाँ,
पानी
मैकरल है।
ऐसे ही हिल रहा है नहीं,
हाँ
ये मैकरल्स है।
करेक्ट
ये मैकरल्स के लिए खाने के लिए आया है।
हाँ बट वो डॉल्फिन नहीं आ रहा है ना ऊपर
खाने के लिए आ रहा है.
अभी ये दिखता है ना तुमको, ये
हाँ।
जो हिल रहा है ना,
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ।
ये जेलीफिश है देखो।
हाँ,
jellyfish.
हाँ,
That orange one,
और
nice.
ये है ना, ये
सामने देखो
ये देखो, ये देखो।
हाँ there it was
ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಕಾಣಿದ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸರ್
ನಾವು ಬೋಟ್ ರೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಡಾಲ್ಫಿನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
there the dolphin was
ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ಬಂತು.
I think that's pretty much it won't come out now
Now they go to inside.
हाँ
When they show tails, they're going directly inside.
हाँ So this is supposed to be the Monkey Island as per the person taking us on the boat. I believe there are a lot of monkeys on this particular little island. So it's known as Monkey Island.
अभी लोड है ना, लोड में आता जाता है।
So there in that particular Monkey Island, you see the structure over there in the green color. That is supposed to be a restaurant over there, which is apparently closed down at this point. It's called Sundown Restaurant. So, but it's not open at this point.
Now it's not right now.
So I can see two people there in that particular island. Apparently they've gone in by kayaking and then probably trekking the particular hill.
They are not like butterfly. That's why call it a butterfly, and inside also butterfly.
Which one is butterfly? ये वाला? Okay. So this is a butterfly island.
The shape is like a butterfly.
So he says that it's because of the shape of this particular island, it's known as Butterfly Island. So this is apparently the shape of the butterfly. That's why it's called butterfly. All right, we spotted more dolphins over here. Quite a few dolphins in this part of the sea. So I see people in the Butterfly Island. A lot of people have got over and then they're on that particular island as well.
ये बटरफ्लाई कहाँ से दिखता है?
ये बटरफ्लाई शेप है सर, और अंदर भी ऐसा बटरफ्लाई जैसा शेप दिखेगा आपको। बाद में दिखाएंगे आपको। ये ट्रैकिंग करके आ रहा है।
people apparently have trekked and come into this particular island over here.
कयाक लेके भी इधर आ सकते हैं ना, कयाकिंग करके इधर आके आराम से बैठ के वापस आ सकते हैं।
So we are now approaching the Turtle Rock beach. So what you see right in front of you, all the way from there till there, all those rocks are in shape of the turtle shells. So that's why it's called Turtle Rock Beach. That entire range. So yeah, this is a Turtle Rock Beach. We're going nearby. Going near to that.
Small one, yeah, they're frying anything with it. Oh, the front one looks like a net. You know, tortoise.
See there, right in front.
Right.
This particular bigger rock looks exactly like a turtle, right? With its head and the shell. Amazing.
So this is Dubai too.
Yeah.
थोड़ा बाहर से घुमाया तो
Okay. Okay, so this is supposed to be the honeymoon beach. There are a lot of people here on the beach. I see a lot of people are playing music and having a good time. ये क्या है? Dolphin, ये वाला. So this particular rock looks like a dolphin. Right in front of you.
Actually, looks like it's jumping out of the water.
और वहाँ एक fishing कर रहा है।
It cuts snow.
So there is a guy sitting out there on the rock and fishing. Two of them.
You look like sitting right there.
Yeah. But he is really fishing.
This looks like a full fish.
Huh?
पेड़ जैसा दिखता है।
Ah.
छोटे।
Looks like a feet. This particular rock.
I got the weather state like this. Yeah. Saying prediction of rain and happen.
So we have got down at the Butterfly Beach. I'm going to spend some time here and then see some butterflies and then head back. There's a small stall here selling some snacks. A lot of people sitting over there on top of the rocks. On the rocks.
On the rocks.
Yeah, see there. What happened?
It will be behind this rock. They will not be able to see.
Hey, why he went off?
Sunset. He'll be
10 मिनट में
no,
चाहिए
not here. Behind this rock. They will not be able to see.
पानी में नहीं
You have to
चाहिए
get into the water.
Oh, he is going. Tell him that, give him a guidelines that 10 minutes.
इधर आओ इकट्ठा होके फटाफट जाना
हाँ he'll bring it back.
Narendra, 10 minutes, then we are getting onto the boat.
What do you want? He wants to go into the water again.
There's no time when you might as well go there. Somebody was taking a selfie. What happened?
Huh? Onto the rocks of the Butterfly Beach, and it's an amazing view of the sunset, but not yet sunset. Still probably 15-20 minutes to go.
15 minutes to go.
Yeah.
Yes, sunset.
So we are heading out from the Butterfly Beach, and a lovely sunset what we are able to witness at this point. So that's where you see the sunset. It's close to 6 p.m. In the evening, and that's the scheduled time here for the sunset. So you can see beautiful view of the sunset. Heading back to the Palolem Beach, which is where we've been staying in the resort. So we had a close to 1.5 hour cruise on this particular boat, and an amazing time visiting the islands around the place and getting some good pictures on board.
ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ವೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಾಗ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ವೇವ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವನೇ ವೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ.
So that's where, that's what is the Palolem Beach, right in front of you. So we'll be getting off this particular boat over there.
ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು.
So done with the sunset.
वो जो लड़की हाथ का रहना था उसका कस्टमर है साफ है पास है
That's where we are reaching the Palolem Beach. What you see right in front of you is our resort, Sierrans. Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you.